Physical fitness testing for week 5. Let's define reaction time. Reaction time is the amount of the time it takes to respond to a stimulus. To measure the time to respond to a stimulus, the pupils or students will perform the stick drop test. Here's the equipment to be used. 24-inch ruler or stick. Armchair or table and chair. Procedure. For the performer. Sit on a chair with arm rest or a chair next to the table so that the elbow and the lower arm rest on the desk or table comfortably. Place the heel of the hand on the disc or table so that only the fingers and thumb extend beyond. Fingers and thumb should at least be 1 inch apart. Catch the ruler or stick with the thumb and index finger without lifting the elbow from the disc or table as the partner drops the stick. Hold the stick while the partner reads the measurement. Do this thrice. For the partner, hold the ruler or stick at the top, allowing it to dangle between the thumb and fingers of the performer. Hold the ruler or stick so that 24-inch mark is even between the thumb and the index finger. No part of the hand of the performer should touch the ruler or stick. Drop the ruler or stick without warning and let the performer catch it with his or her thumb and index finger. Scoring. Record the middle of the 3 scores. For example, if the scores are 21, 18, and 19, the middle score is 19. In case where the 2 scores are the same, for example, 18, 18, and 25, the repeated score shall be recorded, which is 18. Let's define the word coordination. Coordination is the ability to use the senses with the body parts to perform motor tasks smoothly and accurately. To measure your coordination, you are going to perform juggling. The purpose of this test is to measure the coordination of your eyes and hands. The equipment to be used are the following. Sipa made of washer with straw. Washer is 4.6 grams, or 20 pieces, bundled rubber bands. Procedure. For the performer. Hit the sipa or bundled rubber bands alternately with the right and left palm upward. The height of the material being tossed should be at least above the head. For the partner. Count how many times the performer has hit the material with the right and left hand. Stop the test if the material drops. Scoring. Record the number of hits the performer has done. Balance is the maintenance of equilibrium while stationary or while moving. Stork balance stand test. Purpose to assess one's ability to maintain equilibrium. Equipment. Flat, non-slip surface. Stopwatch. Procedure for the performer. Remove the shoes and place hand on the hips. Position the right foot against the inside knee of the left foot. Raise the left heel to balance on the ball of the foot. Do the same procedure with the opposite foot. For the partner. Start the time as the heel of the performer is raised off the floor. Stop the time if any of the following occurs. Hand or hands come off the hips. The supporting foot swivels or moves like hops in any direction. The non-supporting foot loses contact with the knee. The heel of the supporting foot touches the floor. Scoring. Record the time taken on both feet in nearest seconds.